Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So as you understand, there's a about Comedk choice filling, and some students are facing some errors, and problems in logging in and getting the choice filling completed. So I'm covering some of those which I could understand. One of the reason lot of error happens is because you are logging from your mobile. So if you log in from your mobile, this is how your shows that desktop is not enabled, right? So this mode, you don't get a full display of the options and the facilities which are available on a particular page, right? So you should avoid basically using the mobile for choice filling or any other purpose. Use desktop and laptop. But if you are using mobile, like if you once you try to log in with your password and putting the captcha, so sometimes you feel error like this. Even if you put the displayed stuff correct and everything is correct, you will get an error, but you will not be able to see this window. This will be on the top side of the screen, right? You have to close it again. You have to put the captcha. So the password is correct. Again you try, you put it again the same login password and captcha. Again you face the problem, and same error happens. Maybe sometime right correct incorrect text or the password is wrong, right? So it is better to avoid mobile mode. So basically, even if you are on mobile, you can enable desktop mode right from their settings side, right? Once you enable that, you will be getting the same interface as you see from your laptop or the computer. So that is what I will always recommend. And then once you put your login and password right, again then it becomes a correct version and you don't get that type of error, and you are successfully able to log in. So you can see this, it will open like this, and the third one is basically the choice filling, which you will be able to see if you are properly able to log in the desktop mode, which I showed. So if I have to show in this, if you log in properly, you will be able to see click here to view choice filling form. That should come, otherwise you will not be able to do. For the first time, this option will come, right? But if you have done some choice filling, right, one or two colleges, one or two course, and you edited, saved, or you logged off or something happened and you went out there, so one entry is saved, the next time you will try to do that, then you will not be able to see this click here to view choice filling form click. In spite of that, it will appear like this. Then you will confuse where that option has gone. I'm not able to see because you have added some colleges. You see in the action there is something at bottom, action view. So now this time you are not seeing that option. You have to click on the view because it will show you all some colleges which you already did, and by mistake it came out or error happened or something. So it is already saved if you have saved. So that is the big mistake lot of students are doing. They are not saving. Every time you are adding college course, please save, then go back, edit, again add colleges, save, then go back, edit colleges, save. Because of that, everything keep on saving, right? Even if there is an error message at the end of the screen, at least you have the saved entries from the previous time, right? So that is the way you should look. So some of the comments like edit option is not showing because you may be logging in from the non-desktop mode. So you try to change it, that it may get resolved and you will be able to see that edit option for course and the college. And that there is some mock round error once you are submitting, right? So basically you don't have to submit anything, it is all saving. There is no submit button, but whatever you are saving, you continuously keep on saving after every new entry, right? That is recommended. And if still you are still getting error in terms of password is not correct, you have to click on the forget password and put your user id and captcha. You will get the password on your mail. Same password you can use and then go ahead. So these are the common ways which I am feeling you are facing problem and you can use. And if I get some more while exploring, I will help you then. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe channel to get similar updates. Take care and bye.